Hi guys, it's Day Trading Journal here once again, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification in order to get notified every video I get to post. And I'm back to stay, and I'll be you know giving you content back to back. So the goal is simple, like I reiterated in my other video. The goal is simple: to get every viewer, beginner trader, professional traders, to understand the exact flow of the markets every week, so as to better aid their decision making when executing a trade in the market. So today we are going to be analyzing the Euro USD. If you've seen my last video, you know I did analyze the dollar index, which is the exact opposite of the Euro USD. So we're starting off on TradingView, which is my best analysis platform, and we'll get to the Euro USD. I'll launch the chart immediately. Let's see what we've got. Like I did say, I don't know if the chart is really messed up at this point because it's been a while I've been on this platform. So let's start with the monthly. Taking some time to load. Taking some time to load. Okay, we are up and running. So let's start with the monthly time frame on the Euro USD. Remember, the dollar index is currently my bias for dollar index is a buy, right? And for Euro USD, which is the exact opposite of the dollar index, and for the longest, time, Euro USD dollar index has been on a sell of, just recently started, hit a certain point where we're expecting to see the buys, right? And the same thing, which is the inverse for the Euro USD, it's been on the buys, which has been really bullish. You can see the strong green candles here, the really bullish monthly candles here, which means almost more than half of this year has been bullish for Euro USD. We've been on the buys, and at this point we've seen a rejection from last month. At this point here, I trying to figure out if that was a certain trend or not. At this point here, we've seen not what I wanted to use is the trend line. We've seen a certain rejection at this point here, and where I'm expecting a sell. Generally it's been a buy for several months now, but trust me, future analysis, what I'm expecting from this chart is a sell, serious sell right now. And let's go down to daily time frame, and let's see what the daily time frame has got. It's looking pretty good, but if you look at it closely, right, the daily time frame, we can see a double top at this point here, right? We've seen a double top at this point here, so which is clean, and the sale happened. So I'm expecting a sale. Actually, I'm expecting a sale at this point here, of this basis point here. So yes, this sale did happen, and there was this breaking from the neckline, and there's a retest which is currently happening right now from that, and from there I'm expecting to see this chart do some sort of thing this week, which we are still in the daily. I'm expecting to see the dance and the drop off. So let's go down to 4 hours, which I do love confirmations in the 4-hour time frame before I get down to the 1 hour or the 15 minutes to execute my trade. As you guys can see, it's almost playing out, and the week has already just begun. And yes, exactly what I'm going to see this week. It's going to be a sell, definitely. For me, that's my bias, and like it is said, always do your own research and your own analysis. The market is it's nobody's playmate, and yes, you cannot exactly predict the market. It's just your analysis and what you feel will be happening. However, if were to see a good sell, I would definitely wait for confirmation in the 4 hours and take my next trade. Thank you.